Hello everyone and welcome back to our YouTube channel. Today we're going to talk about a very interesting and hot topic, which is how to watch movies or series with one or more friends on Instagram. If you're interested in the video, be with us till the end. And now without wasting a minute, let's get started. Just get started with going to Instagram app. As you open the Instagram app, just go directly to the messages at the top right. From here, just scroll down a bit and under Watch Together, choose any of the series or movies. I'll select the Post Malones. From this, just click on any of the episodes. Now, from here, invite to video chat, you can add people who you want to watch it with and then click on Start at the top right. When it says connecting, the video call will connect to the people you want to watch the series with, and you can directly watch the series with those people from this tab. Enjoy! Thank you for watching the video till the end. If you like the video, do not forget to subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon below so that you get notified each and every single time we upload something new for you.